everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete wishlist on AliExpress. If you want to delete your wishlist from your AliExpress application, then here is how you can do it. Launch Open AliExpress application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, from the page, select the wishlist tab and tap on View All in order to view all of your wishlist. To delete your wishlist, simply go ahead and tap on the pencil and paper icon at the top right hand corner. Now select the item from the list you would want to delete. You can also delete all of the items that are added on your wishlist. Simply go ahead and tap on the circle right in front of the item and tap on Delete at the bottom right. Confirm your deletion by tapping Delete, and then you have successfully deleted your item from the wishlist on AliExpress. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.